We are going to actually sew through the blue as well, and we are going to grab one, put this one down, and we are going to sew through the next one. So we're gonna skip one. We're going back to peyote. This is better. So right now we are going to put 180, and I'm going to, my thread is exiting from here. I'm going to sew through this one right here. I want to add a small one, so I'm gonna grab a 15, and I'm gonna sew through this one right here. And from here I'm going to grab, so there is 7, and I'm going to sew through this one right here. I'm going to grab 2 11s, and I'm going to sew through the bugle. Do you see? It's really perfect. And what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to add one of this. I'm going to skip this one, and I'm going to sew through this one. Okay, I'm going to sew through one more, and we are going to transition to herringbone. Okay, so we are going to grab 2 11s and sew to the same. There you go. If we flip it around, we can sew up, and we can't take 2 more. For now, since we're transitioning, I'm just gonna stick with the same size of beads. So we're gonna sew through this one, and we are going to sew through this white one. You see? So we have our herringbone right there. So what I want to do is I'm gonna try to make at least 3 lines of herringbone. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to pick up 5. I'm gonna sew through this one. Okay, that's perfect right there. And I'm going to grab sew through this one. Gonna grab one. We're going to sew through this one. And I'm sorry, I think my voice is getting low. We are going to sew through one more, and we can start again from here. You know, this actually can also be a pendant, but it's so different. So we're gonna do 2, and we are going to sew through this one. We are going to sew through this one. We are going to pick up 2, sew through this one. So we have herringbone right here, herringbone right there. We're gonna grab one, and we're gonna sew through this one. right there. So we are going to grab one and we are going to sew up through these ones right here. I'm just gonna leave you with this. So we are going to pick up 2 and we are going to sew through the same. And there you go, you already transition to herringbone. Like you have a way to continue right here, one here and one here. Like right here, as you can see, like we can easily make like a flower if we add another bead right here, you see, and then another one right here. So you kind of want to build whatever you want. So the way I will transition from this one to this one, since I want to be a fast project, I'm just going to grab 5 beads and that fits perfect. So I will grab 5 beads and I want to come down here and go up through this ones. And this is just my idea, okay? So you gotta do whatever you want to, and kinda fits good. So I will just grab 2 more and keep going with my herringbone. You can just go one side, or you can just keep going till you have like 1 inch, and then try to go from there, or you can just moving sideways. I believe what I should done right here, maybe I should have just go up to this one instead of this one. So right now from here I can just pick up 2 more, or even 1 in the middle right here. I don't know. So the one thing I don't like right now, I'm gonna tell you what am I gonna do. And this is normal, do and undo when you are designing something. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these ones because I don't really like the way it turned out right here. And when you undo it, you gotta be careful so you don't wear your thread off, because then it can break at any time and you don't want that. So like this ones right here, I don't like the way they sit right there. So maybe if I just go through this one up here, I think it'll be better. Let's see. Okay, so let's go. Let's saw through this one up here. Yep, and I like that better. So if I grab to right here, I can easily go under through both of this, or you can go through one. It depends how secure you think your work is. And then we just go up through these two. Oh, actually no, we're gonna go up through 3. These 3. Okay. And I will not add anything, like if you're trying to go from here till here, because I kind of want to leave spaces. So if you can add 2 more right here, go through 2, and you can sew through this 3, like this. And if you want to, you can just ignore this herringbone or kind of build the herringbone like this to attach right here to these two. That'll be cool. So if you go, like, bring your thread all the way here and start building your herringbone like 2/8, 2/8, and then 2/11 and 2/11, or maybe 3 sets of 11s, and kind of make like a bridge right here. I think that could be cool. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I'm coming back with what I'm seeing. If you don't want to do anything to the bracelet, you can just wait, because when I come back, I'm going to start at this point continuing. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments. If you'd rather do something else, just tell me, I don't like that, so I can start something else, and this can be a project for me instead of sharing with you guys. So just let me know what you think. Let me know if you want me to continue or you want me to stop. Okay, until next time, thank you.